So you've been hired on as a new adjunct instructor. That's fantastic. You can't wait to get started sharing all your knowledge with people who are energetic and eager to learn.
There's just one problem. How do you actually go about teaching information, helping people really learn and not just talking at them and watching them become bored? Not to worry, you've come to the right place. This micro-learning series is the perfect tool to help you get started. In just a few short minutes, you'll learn a few ways to use tried and true learning theories in your classroom. Theories that will help you turn boring book information into interesting and interactive lessons that your students will actually remember. Ready to become a teaching hero? Let's go.